How do you fix a relationship that has gone wrong? First, you make sure that you embody the relationship that you desire. That way, you will never accept anything less. How do you do this? First, imagine a person, a body, being in the relationship you desire. Give that relationship all that you desire in your relationship. See that relationship clearly. Then, step into that space, embrace it. Go ahead and try it right now. First, think of an important quality you desire in your relationship. Now see it in the relationship you imagine. Good. Now step into that relationship as if it is yours. Take 15 seconds to try this right now. Do this over and over again. Do it every day. The more you do, the more you will never let go of your own desires. That's the first step in fixing a relationship. The rest will get easier. Get this right and you will accept nothing less from anyone, including yourself.